1. Hook. How to outsmart a casino. Picture a hall with no clocks or windows, warm light, soft wind chimes, and billboards of rare lucky faces. Now the questions this video answers. What is the house's core trick? How long until the house drains your wallet? What does a free drink really cost? Why is almost one engineered to hurt more than a clean loss? Who drives your impulse, you or slot designers? Why warm lights, no clocks, and constant wins? Why do they showcase a few winners and hide millions of quiet losers? Who pays the real price of entertainment? Why is online more dangerous than offline? And most importantly, how to exit now and, in 30 days, earn your first honest money using your brain and technology instead of luck. 2. The core trick. Negative expectation, EV0. Casinos don't sell fun. They sell a mathematically tuned drain. The house stitches a tiny edge, often 1-5% into every game. Small edges compounded by time and number of bets guarantee the house's profit and your long-run loss. Short hot streaks are noise, not a system. If odds were truly fair, casinos would be empty. No margin, no business. Systems, progressions, and rituals all dissolve under the law of large numbers. The only way to beat math is to refuse to play and reduce contact time to 0. 3. The price of free. Comps, drinks, and the invisible bill. Free perks exist to lengthen your session. Longer session closer to the negative average, bigger expected loss. Translate a single evening into expectation math and you'll see each comp is paid from your own statistical loss. Add near-miss design. 2 cherries line up, the third just clicks past. And dopamine spikes, tricking memory and nudging one more spin. None of this is accidental. Sounds, delays, animations, and reinforcement schedules are UX choices tested in labs. Declining gifts shortens time in seat and returns control. 4. Environmental design, warm light, no time, survivor bias. No clocks, no windows because time awareness protects you. Loud celebrations for wins, quiet for losses, because attention is engineered to the house's benefit. Winner billboards without the sea of losers, that's survivor bias. Comfort keeps you seated. Longer sessions drift back to the negative average. The antidote is to name the hooks and break the script on purpose. Notice, label, exit. Exit is not losing gracefully. It is closing the loop now and moving your energy into creation. 5. Why online is worse than offline. Offline costs time, travel, and witnesses. Online lives in your pocket. Zero friction, instant top-ups, personalized pushes, daily free spins, and the 2:30 a.m. bedroom where no one says, stop. Bet frequency rises, pauses vanish, isolation grows. Algorithms learn your wake cycles, soft spots, and holidays. Offline you at least stand up. Online you can burn through dozens of spins in the same minutes. It isn't just the same math, it's accelerated math. Defense. Mute pushes, delete apps, set time barriers, and replace the ritual. Don't grab the phone. Step outside, drink water, change context. 6. Hard stance. Prevention beats willpower. Real strength isn't losing well. It's not starting. Zero entry protects your mind, time, money, and relationships. Write 3 rules. Don't enter. Don't keep casino apps. No last spin. Shape your environment so triggers die. Notifications off, wallet closed. Evening booked with things that make you stronger, not weaker. Put boundaries in writing and share them with someone you trust. External accountability helps. This isn't puritanism. It's protecting what's worth more than luck. A clear head, health, work, dignity. 7. Who pays the real price? Nights of comps often end with an empty account, conflict, and lost sleep. Money leaks in microcharges and one more try. Hours disappear non-refundable. Attention drains from loved ones to a wheel. Reputation erodes where we promised last time. Stats can show rare winners. They can't show the thousands of budgets shaved by 20 to 50 units. That's what lights the neon. Taking control means facing numbers, admitting losses, hard stopping, asking for support, and swapping the habit for actions that build instead of break. 8. Earn more brain times tech times AI. If there's any outsmarting, it's outsmarting the dependency script. Swap gambling for skill, bets for product, slots for a system. Modern tools multiply output. AI speeds routine, templates save energy. Simple packaging turns your work into a clear offer any kiosk owner can grasp. In this video, we use the most accessible path, one-page websites for local businesses. Not $1 million startup, but an honest craft entry. Quick client results, your first money fast, and a portfolio that compounds monthly. 9. 30-day plan. First income with AI-powered local business sites. Week 1, recon. List 30 nearby places lacking a site, or with a dead one shawarma, barbershop, car wash, courses, repair. Note real needs. Map, hours, one-click request. Call me back. Prompt AI. Ask me all clarifying questions. Output. A one-pager with blocks. Offer. Menu/services. Map. Contacts. WhatsApp/phone form. Week 2, demos. Build 2 to 3 demo pages on a template. Swap text/photos to neutral, add form and map. Set simple tiers, basics/standard/plus, and a speed promise in 72 hours. Week 3, sales. Visit 10 places. Show the demo on a tablet. Speak human. Here's how you'll get more calls. Pay only if you like it. Secure first prepay. Set a deadline. Publish on domain/hosting. Record a mini how to edit video. Week 4, scale. Collect reviews, ask owner for referrals, deliver 1 to 2 more sites, add light monthly support, assemble a 3-site portfolio, and lock a repeatable process. Month result. First honest money, a clear funnel, and the confidence that you drive outcomes. Full step-by-step guide. See the first link in the description. 10. Finale. Close the casino, open the laptop. Bottom line. Do not enter casinos. If you're inside, leave now. The math is against you. Expectation is negative. Free is paid by your losses. Almost won is a lure and warm light. No clocks, plus curated winners. Stretch your session so the house takes its due. Online is worse. Zero friction, night pushes, isolation, and your wallet melts faster. The only real trick is not to play. Convert impulse into discipline and action. Brain times tech times AI instead of luck. Start simple. Build a one-page site for a local business. Map, contacts, one-tap request. Get a review, assemble a portfolio, do it 2 more times. In 30 days, you'll have first clear income and a base to grow. Full step-by-step guide in the first link in the description. Subscribe, explore the earning and financial literacy playlist, and if you want to accelerate, join the Magnus Guild. We earn there, and Magnus shows concrete ways to monetize modern technologies, AI, and social media so not only you, but also your tools work for you. Close the casino door. Open the laptop. Today you choose discipline, work, and growth over luck.